Allison Transmission engineers and manufactures propulsion solutions for a wide variety of both on- and off-highway vocations. To better help our customers, OEMs, and Allison-authorized distributors and dealers understand which Allison products best fit their needs, we compiled relevant data and information into one place, our Vocational Model Guide, or VMG. Recently released, the newest edition of our VMG includes product overviews, quick references, and in-depth technical details that provide a comprehensive look at all Allison transmission vehicle propulsion capabilities. In this video, we will review how you can utilize the VMG to assist speccing and selecting the right Allison product to meet your customers' needs. In the guide, you can access all 1000 to 9000 series, specifications, gear ratios, PTO information, engine speeds, ratings, retarder options, physical descriptions, features and advantages, input-output functions offered, as well as fluid and filter change recommendations. To find specific information you're looking for, simply locate it in the table of contents and then jump to that page. Some exciting new features of this year's VMG are the featured product pages for some of our newest propulsion solutions, including the 9-speed, FracTran, TerraTran, eGen Power e-axles, and eGen Force electric hybrid. Each page includes a QR code to link directly to the product's landing page to access the most up-to-date information to share with your customers. Let's discuss the VMG's layout to help you better understand how to navigate and find the information you need. At the beginning of the VMG, you will find the new featured products pages, followed by specs for our 1000 to 4000 series models and vocations. These specs include gear ratios, power takeoff information, engine speeds, torque converter information, optional retarder provisions, physical descriptions, and oil system specifications. Following that, you will find the same specs for our 5000 to 9000 series models. Next, you will find key features and advantages available in our different series that set us apart as an industry leader and make our propulsion solutions the best on the market. The guide then also includes information on our input and output functions, or I/O functions. Here, you will find an overview of the Transmission Control Module, or TCM, and the role the I/O functions play in that system, as well as a list of definitions, such as automatic neutral, PTO drive interface, secondary mode, and more. The next section of the VMG is for series specifications. This is where you will find every detail you need to spec the right transmission for specific vehicle vocations. For each series, we've included specific ratings, application types, I/O functions, and more. For example, let's look at our Regional Haul series. Here you can view available ratings for our 3414 RHS, including gear ratio, park pawl, gross input power, gross input torque, net turbine torque, with and without torque management, and max gross vehicle weight and gross combined weight. In the series specification section, you can also view a wide range of typical vehicle applications. After the series sections, you will find an overview of the Allison Hub, our online centralized location for all Allison technical information. In the VMG, we provide you with details on how to register for the Hub to take advantage of the many features it offers, including Hub Premium. With Hub Premium, you will have access to the latest updates and revisions to our printed manuals in online and offline formats. You can also learn more about Allison Diagnostic Optimized Connection, or DOC. This is a diagnostic tool that allows users to troubleshoot and service Allison electronically controlled commercial transmissions and transmission control systems. We also included an overview of Allison's FuelSense 2.0 advantages. Here you will find an overview of the benefits and advantages FuelSense 2.0 can provide for your customers. Dynactive shifting, acceleration rate management, and neutral at stop give your customers' fleets the perfect balance of performance and fuel economy. Next, you will also see fluid and filter change recommendations, including information regarding TES 668, our newest high-performance transmission fluid that provides 1000 to 4000 series with superior shift quality and reduced noise and vibration. Finally, you will find a reminder of the Allison Promise, which is to provide the most reliable and valued propulsion solutions in the world to enable our customers to work more efficiently. The Allison Transmission Vocational Model Guide is your one-stop shop to find all the information you need to determine the right Allison propulsion solution for all your customers' needs. You may request the new VMG and download anytime at allisontransmission.com/VMG. Thank you for watching this video about Allison's Vocational Model Guide. If you would like to learn more, please contact your local Allison representative.